In the first part, Rajeshri, we were talking about your books. Now
Yes.
we'll go to your VCDs.
Yes.
Can you show us?
Okay. This is my first film that I made.
Yeah.
What I did was, along with book publishing courses, I also have done few filmmaking courses.
Okay.
Because-
We joined the book publishing course together.
Yes, we
In
have done
2000
both
2005 and 2013.
13. Okay.
Okay.
And in between, I thought along with my books, in case if the message goes through audio visual media,
It's more powerful.
it's more powerful. So should
True.
I get into this? Was my so then I said, let me do the courses.
Yeah.
Then I in my own way mastered. I will say I mastered my own.
You do it all yourself?
Yes, basically the concepts are mine.
Okay.
Script is mine.
Okay.
Screenplays are mine.
I see.
And direction is totally mine.
Okay. Okay. Only the camera work is.
The camera work is somebody
Okay.
else. I sit with the editor and I edit
I see.
everything of
Wow.
mine.
Wow.
And then come out with the thing.
So one question: how did you, just to divert from this point, how did you get interested in science and physics too? It's not a girl's subject, quote unquote, no?
Yes.
Except Sharmila Kamat, our friend.
Yeah. Physics is very interesting, frankly speaking.
You all had good teachers in school.
They always inspired us. That times teachers, physics teachers, where they used to tell in their lectures, they used to tell about the story of rose gardens, which rose plant he got from Africa and what happened.
I see.
But that interested us. They
Caught your
made-
fancy.
Yeah, seriously.
Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? Which school?
I did my BSc in Dempe College.
Dempe.
Okay, and I
And
just
school?
enjoyed my school in People's High School. Yeah. Then my masters at Goa University.
I see.
Yeah.
And-
Let me tell you
Yeah,
about
yeah,
my
please,
master's
please,
thing.
please.
Okay. Dr. Tisa was my professor, and very interesting professors we had, and they would encourage us like anything. We were playing in the complex there in the premises.
Yeah.
We used to play cricket as well, and they never stopped us. And they would say, Rajeshri, now it's time for lecture. Shall we go?
This is the new campus
Yeah, new campus.
when it was just being built out.
Yes, we were the first people to
I see.
enter the campus.
90s, 1990s.
1991.
91.
And so this is what makes a person learn more.
True.
Because of this interaction with our professors, I think that made physics very interesting to us, and we started learning. Then after all, it's your way, you have to explore the subject.
So-
Nobody can teach you.
I interrupted you when you were telling me about the videos.
Okay.
VCDs.
My first video, Makadin Sawad, it's the first animation film on environment. Okay, where trees and again plants. Now I won't say it's exactly the
Book.
Definitely, it's not the book.
Yeah.
Title I've kept the same. I don't know. I just love the title.
Yeah.
But here, plants, trees, and so many things, they interact with humans, and they have shown in the film. Ki in another 80 years' time, what will be our future if we go on with our lives the way we are living now? Or what else are we supposed to do so that we have a better future? People have liked this film. You must
see.
watch because there is some interesting character in between who comes in the film.
I see.
That makes the whole change, Then because of this, after this, I got a mosquito control. I Can Do It was the first animation film that was sponsored by National Academy of Vector-Borne Diseases and Goa University. They gave me money to make this film.
Malaria was a major issue in Goa, has
Yeah,
been, and
yeah,
still is
yeah,
in some ways.
yeah. So this was released in 2010.
Okay.
And it is put on the YouTube. It has lot of views and it has lot of appreciation from
So
WHO.
all your videos are on YouTube also.
This too.
Okay.
Bondla Zoo
Okay.
is another animation film.
I see.
Which was one thing it has is that this was the one amongst top 10 at the International Film Festival short films.
I see.
So had a good
I see.
definitely. So I enjoy making
Animation is tough, no? In that sense, it costs a lot of time.
Stuff, it takes lot of time. Artists have to really work very, very hard. So animators got to be artists as well. So luckily I have a team where my animators are artists. So they work on this
And you have to do how many drawings for each of those? Thousands.
One moment I will say, one motion, it's 24 frames.
My goodness.
They really have to, but then luckily we gel, all of us, my team gel so well that we have no problems with each other.
This is all done outside your teaching hours in your spare time.
Yes, yes. This was done, basically these two were done when I was on leave.
I see.
Okay, this was done because now it becomes very difficult. So now I'm getting back to my creativity, but it takes a lot of time. One film of Bondla Zoo, which is 9-minute film, I think when I was not working,
Yeah.
looking after my children, that time it took me at least 6 or more months.
No, I can imagine.
Yeah. Along with time for the family. I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
saying I
No,
couldn't
because video might have been simpler, but animation is tough.
very tough, and you have to look at every part of it. Artists, animators don't. It's my thing. Like I have to tell, no, I don't want this. I want a bit of different thing. That makes a difference.
So tell us about the state of science education in Goa today. I mean, science popularization for children.
Well, science popularization, if I have to talk about, I really know Shrikant Nagvekar sir. Okay, he's the first person who really got into writing physics, popularizing science through small experiments, through write-ups and all this.
Was in Progress High School.
Yeah, he was a teacher of Progress High
Very,
School.
very active person.
Very
I remember.
active person. Right now he is little
Did
sick
with
and
Unwell,
all
yeah.
that. Yeah. But then he's done quite a lot for this science.
Otherwise, there are a handful of people working in the field.
Yeah, we have Dr. Hebrekar.
Okay, Arun
who's
Hebrekar.
written- Arun Hebrekar. He is also a physics person. He is written in Konkani and Marathi.
Books and other things.
Books.
Goa University, he retired from Goa University.
Yeah. He was also a principal of Ponda Education Society. I had the opportunity.
But you can count these people on your fingers.
Definitely. There is one Sakri Berekar.
Okay.
He's doing some experiments. I am also teaching my any student. I have some science workshops.
Nice.
Teach them. I conduct for poor people science workshops. So where I give them the material and hands-on science activities I do whenever I get time.
What more can be done to take this field forward? What do you feel?
Teachers should be motivated. Very important thing that science teachers need to feel to teach science in the right way, so that we have to touch the hearts of these kids. It's very simple. Once you trigger them, there is no end to it.
Everything will progress by itself.
It's just progress.
But you have to light the fire.
Yes, it's our duty to do that. As
You all have a
teachers.
Science Teachers Association, or
We do have, I am a PC member of Indian Association of Physics Teachers here in Goa. We are active. We do this workshop. That
teachers are a
workshop.
bit caught up with exams and workload
exactly.
and other
That's
things.
That's also there. But then I think we.
As long as we have enthusiasm with you,
Yeah.
all the best.
We have to do it. Thanks
All the best.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.